Canva is a free graphic design website that gives you all the tools you could possibly need to create all of your business branding, including a logo. To start designing your logo in Canva, log into your Canva account. Find the logo template. Go ahead and find logo templates you can get inspiration from. You can find the logo templates by choosing the logo option under Create a Design. A new screen will pop up with a blank canvas on the main workspace, and a variety of Canva layouts for different logo types can be found on the left-hand sidebar. Browse layouts. Before you start the design process, take a few minutes to browse through the logo layouts. If there's an existing design layout that's close to what you have in mind, you can save yourself a ton of time just customizing the layout, such as changing fonts, images, and colors, instead of designing your logo from scratch. A good place to start when designing your logo is creating a color palette. Click on any part of your design to bring up the options menu above. Once you've got your background color locked in, it's time to change the text and the font if you're incorporating text into your logo. Just click on the letters and select your preferred font type. Then change the text to your brand name. The next thing you can do is to add the other elements. These extra style touches like lines, shapes, illustrations, and icons can all be found on the left sidebar. Before you are finished with your logo, you want to name the file by deleting the current file name up in the right corner of the screen by the Share button, and then save the file. Once you've got the right combination of color, text, and graphics, your logo is ready. Make sure to save a copy of your logo by clicking the Download button on the top right side of the page. And there you go. You now have your professional customized logo without spending a cent.